friends! I'm Bubbly. Today we'll learn about friction, the force that helps things move or stop.
Whoa! This ice is so slippery!
That's because smooth surfaces have less friction.
Whew! Rough surfaces, like rocks or sand, have more friction. They slow me down.
Friction helps car tires grip the road pad. Without it, cars would just slip and slide.
Wow! My hands feel warm!
That's right. Friction makes heat when things rub together. See this ball? It rolls and stops. That's friction slowing it down. Oops! The soap slid away. Wet surfaces have less friction. Shoes with rough soles give more friction. That's why we don't slip when we walk. So remember, Tay, friction helps us move, stop, and stay safe every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.